While we know that an Olympic medal contains about 6 grams of 24 karat gold, how much do the most prestigious trophies around the world really contain? That appears to be a fair question, right? This video is going to be an answer to all those geeky questions out there. The Olympic medals. The top 3 finishers of each Olympic competition are awarded the gold, silver, and bronze medals respectively. While the name seems to imply it, Olympic gold medals are not 100% gold. The specific composition and design of Olympic medals is determined by the host city's organizing committee. However, the minimum standards must be maintained. That is, gold and silver medals are at least 92.5% silver. Gold medals must be plated with at least 6 grams of gold. All Olympic medals must be at least 3 mm thick and 6 mm in diameter. And bronze medals are bronze, which is an alloy of copper and usually tin. The silver medals at the 2018 Pyeongchang Winter Olympics had a purity of 99.9% according to Olympic.org. A gold medal was a silver medal plated with 6 grams of gold, while the bronze was made of an alloy of 90% copper and 10% zinc. Eco-friendly medal. The 2016 Rio Summer Olympics featured eco-friendly metals with the goal free of mercury contamination. Mercury and gold are notoriously difficult elements to separate. The sterling silver used for the silver medals was partly recycled, about 30% by mass. Part of the copper used to make the bronze for the bronze medals was recycled as well. The FIFA World Cup Trophy. As the excitement goes around, the FIFA World Cup grabs the attention of all sports fans around the world. Gold bugs are looking at the trophy itself, which is not only made of gold but is also considered to be one of the most valuable sport prizes out there. The current FIFA World Cup trophy is made out of 13.5 pounds of 18 karat gold. The dimensions of the trophy, which depicts 2 athletes holding up the earth in their hands, is about 14.5 inches tall, with a base of 5.1 inches in diameter. The value of the trophy varies, with USA Today reporting that it could be worth $20 million, while other estimates point to about $150,000. Kitco.com's scrap calculator prices the trophy at more than $188,000. The coveted trophy has been used since 1974 and was designed by an Italian artist, Silvio Gizzinga, who competed against 52 other sculptors. There are reports that the trophy is hollow inside. Before each World Cup, the trophy gets repolished by Italian company GDE Bertoni, and the previous winner gets to keep a gold-plated replica of the coveted prize. ICC Cricket World Cup. The ICC Cricket World Cup trophy is presented to the winners of the Cricket World Cup. The current trophy was created for the 1999 championships and was the first permanent prize in the tournament's history. Before this, different trophies were made for each World Cup. The trophy was designed by Paul Marsden of Garrett & Co. and produced in London by a team of craftsmen from Garrett & Co. over a period of 2 months. The current trophy is made from silver and gold and features a golden globe held up by 3 silver columns. The columns shaped as stumps and bails represent the 3 fundamental aspects of cricket, that is batting, bowling and fielding. While the globe characterizes a cricket ball, it stands 60 cm high and weighs approximately 11.0567 kilograms. The names of the previous winners are engraved on the base of the trophy, with space for a total of 20 inscriptions. The original trophy is kept by the ICC and a replica, which only differs in inscriptions, is permanently awarded to the winning team. The Oscar Lady. On a Sunday evening, nominated movie stars would show up at Hollywood's Kodak Theatre, hoping to walk away clutching one of those glorious statuettes. However, there is more to that golden guy than meets the eye. When they pick up their trophies, the winning celebs are toting around 8.5 pounds of metal. Oscar is 13.5 inches, which is about 34 centimeters tall. The Oscar statuettes, officially dubbed the Academy Award of Merit, have a 24-carat gold plating on their surface. Beneath the gold, the statuette's interior is a metal mixture called Britannium, also Britannia metal. It is an alloy of tin, which is about 93%, antimony 5%, and copper 2%. It is known for its smooth texture and silvery appearance. Though this mixture of metals has been the standard for the shiny trophy for several decades, it has not always been the composition of choice. The statuettes, presented at first at the Academy Awards ceremony on May 16, 1929 at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel, were gold-plated solid bronze. The Wimbledon. The Championships Wimbledon, Gentlemen's Single Trophy, first presented by the All England Club in 1887, is made of silver gilt. It stands 18 inches tall and has a diameter of 7.5 inches. The Ladies Singles Trophy, a silver salver, was first presented in 1886. It is made of partly glided sterling silver and is 18.75 inches in diameter. Claret Jug. In golf, the Open Championship Trophy is the most coveted one. The famed Silver Claret Jug or Golf Champion Trophy was originally produced in 1873 by Mackay Cunningham & Co. of Edinburgh. The champion receives a replica. Famous Americans such as Bobby Jones, Walter Hagen, Jack Nicklaus, and Tiger Woods have won claret jugs over the years. So, are there any trophies or even medals out there made from solid gold? That's a pretty interesting question, isn't it? Well, the answer is yes. There are gold medals that are made from solid gold, such as the Congressional Gold Medal and the Nobel Prize Medal. Before 1980, the Nobel Prize Medal was made from 23-carat gold, while newer Nobel Prize medals are 18-carat green gold plated with 24-carat gold. Let's talk about the Congressional Gold Medal. After a Congressional Gold Medal bill has been approved by both houses of the Congress and signed into law by the President, officials of the US Mint meet with the sponsors of the legislation and members of the honorees family to discuss possible designs for the medal. Isn't that cool? A series of design and sketches are then produced for consideration and comment by the Commission of Fine Arts and subsequently the Secretary of the Treasury. They are the ones who make the final decision on the design. Now, once a design is agreed upon and approved, the design is sculpted, a die is made, and the metal is stuck at the Philadelphia Mint. And now it's time for the big reveal for all the science freaks out there. Yes, I am talking about the Nobel Prize Gold Medal, which is made from pure gold. The Nobel Gold Medal. The medals are made of 18-carat green-colored gold core, and they are plated with 24-carat gold. At over 6 ounces, the value for just the gold in this medal puts it at almost $8,000. But the price of gold plays a small role in the true value. Factors such as the price category and most of all the recipient have the biggest influence on the value of these medals. And that's all for this video. Thank you for your time. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more exciting content from Team Explified.